YouTube, what's up with it, man? So, as y'all can see by the title, man, I got a renewed Tesla screen review for y'all, man. Currently, I'm at the motherfucking beach chilling. Y'all see the vibes, you know what I'm saying? Sun too bright to show here, but yeah, man. So we gonna, tell me y'all see the vibe, but yeah, we gonna roll the windows up. We're gonna just do a renewed Tesla screen review, dog. So, boom. So I kind of showed a good amount last time I did, but I'm gonna just run through the whole basics again, go through the problems I've been having. I probably had the screen now for probably over 6 months, probably like 9 months now, bro. Last night it just like completely turned off on me. I don't know what happened, but in the morning it turned back on, man. I was leaving a fucking night bar yesterday, and that shit wouldn't even turn. I had to watch my phone to get the directions and shit, but YouTube still work as regular, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't have my old phone for a hotspot now, so I only have my downloads, man. But some guy told me you can buy data for the actual screen and then you don't have to use a hotspot, but I don't know how to do that. But yeah, so that's that. As you can see, you got Netflix right here. Things like that, car auto, and this is like a customized screen. All this won't be up here if you ever buy this screen, but you can customize it like an iPhone and move stuff around, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but this is, you know what I'm saying, your maps and shit. As y'all can see, I'm at the beach, you know what I'm saying? And then if you want to search for some food, maybe you look up food, search nearby, and boom, man, you got all your food nearby, so work like any other map. You got your music right here. But y'all probably want to see, well, it looked good, but what's wrong with it, man? It's probably too good to be true, man. And honestly, bro, it really isn't, bro. Like, this screen kind of does everything that you would expect it to do. Sometimes it glitches, like, to where it won't connect, maybe, when your phone was too far from it. Or, like, sometimes I was having a problem where my backup camera wouldn't work. Like, I'd reverse and my backup camera would be black. But those are just things with technology, man. Eventually, a couple hours later or the next time I did it, boom, now the backup camera's there. And I haven't had that problem in a few weeks, because I was having it like back to back and then it just stopped happening. Then, like I said, yesterday my screen, if y'all see in my beach vlog, my screen was completely black, and now y'all see it's back on, man. So boom, you got your music, got your call log, wherever you want to call and shit. Boom, bada bing, okay, cool. Let's see, you got your Chrome, you know what I'm saying? You just need Wi-Fi to get on it. And yeah, you can search up anything you want, do wallpapers, all that stuff. Got your Bluetooth. So Bluetooth and car auto are CarPlay are two different things. So let's say your phone was far when you start up the car. Your phone wasn't in the car when you started up. So now you can connect to your Bluetooth and still play the music if your CarPlay's messing up. Because sometimes CarPlay be like bullshitting, dog. So you'll have to you know what I'm saying, connect the Bluetooth without your maps and just listen to music if you want to do it like that. Because you won't have your maps without the CarPlay, but you can still listen to your music. So yeah, that's what I have to do sometimes, man. And this is like, so when you first, like I said in the first one, when you first get this Tesla screen, if you had the Bose premium speakers before and your INFINITI G37, it changes the audio for sure. Like, it's not as crisp. It's like the tones are a little off. You have to play with it. I still haven't got it perfect. The way my sounds is pretty good. I don't think I have if I'll show y'all the sounding, I don't think I have well, that's an unreleased song. That's probably not copyrighted. I don't want to take no chances. This definitely isn't copyrighted. It don't sound bad at all. So yeah, I got YouTube Premium, so it comes out with me. All right, boom, let's go to settings, man. So right now I have it on the modern style, so you can change that to a classic style, and I'll show y'all today. I didn't want to show y'all the last time because I didn't feel like changing it, but if you do that and you go back, now you have this look. Now, me personally, I like the other look way better, you know what I'm saying? It's just a clean blue screen. So this is like, it just changes how it looks. This is like a more old school, I feel like. But you still get the same things, music, all your other stuff. That's a different type of music. That's like the actual screen music, not your car auto music and stuff. But yeah, it's just the same. It's just a different look. But me personally, I don't like that. And then you can do this like, hey, top, open settings. I don't see the settings button up there. Open settings. So there's like a mic built in to the screen. It was sticking out before. I told my mechanic to push that shit back in. I don't know why I did it like that, but yeah. And yeah, if you switch it back to modern style, it'll go right back to how I had it before. I might have to switch some other things around, but nope. Right back to how I had it before. So cool. Got a day and night mode. So like right now I got it on night. You see it's like black. If you put it on day, or you know what I'm saying, you could change it this to white. You know, so you can go night mode, you can go white. You got a dimmer. It basically just how bright the screen is and certain times of the day. I'm not gonna mess with that because I don't feel like changing it back. Language units, that's a whole bunch of bull crap you don't need to touch. Sleep switch, what is that? Okay, so I just turned that on and off, so we just gonna leave that. Audio, so you got your equalizer, and that's the same thing I was showing y'all before with the changing your audio. You gotta play with it and shit like that. And like I said, I seen a comment saying that you could get it back to regular, bro, but I still have not found the way to do it, dog. And Nifty City doesn't really help you. This is where I got the screen from. Nifty City, they don't really help you with how the screen works. They just sell them. They will not tell you all the things and how to work it. But yeah, default Navi app maps. All this is like, I really still don't know what it means. App customize. I mean, this is stuff you really don't have to touch. And then I got like I got somebody walking on the beach and shit. But I got yeah, all this stuff. Network's the only thing I touch. So like when I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi, like save networks, I was connecting to my iPhone and playing my YouTube and movies like that. But if you have a hotspot, you can come right here and connect it, and then you'll be able to watch whatever you want to do on your screen and shit. So yeah, that's that. And basically that's it for the settings and stuff. So now they got this. So this page, this like zooms it out like you were on your iPhone, and you want to. So you can basically like swipe up and it'll clear the tabs like that. And then you have all your apps and shit right here. So this is like the ambient light setting. So if you were to, I don't have my lights on right now, if you turn the headlights on, it does that. You can change them from any color you want, or you can do color changing. You know what I'm saying? So that's cool. I like that. You know, I'm a black and red type of guy, so I keep that shit on red. All that, I do not know how to work it. Aux. I think they have some aux cords in here that you can connect to. Yep. And here I have the fucking court documents from my dad. I just got them shits in there, man. That shit be crazy though. I told y'all in the first, for y'all don't think this shit fake, man. I told y'all in the first living in the car video, man, my dad sued me, all type of shit, man. I got the documents right there with that nigga name and my name on it, man. Shit crazy, dog, but I don't even want to show that shit. You feel me? This the backup camera, so you can click on it and it'll show you. So that's what it looks like when you're backing up. Well, when you back up, it'll have like the lines and stuff like that. So and it doesn't come with that default. You have to go into your reverse settings actually, and reverse track line or one of those. You just turn them on and it'll put that there for you. Because that's how I found out, because it wasn't there before and I wanted it. You know what I'm saying? Because them lines help, because you can't really tell where your actual car is through the camera unless you got them lines. Car settings, stuff like this. I haven't messed with none of this, man. I don't really know what it does. I don't think it really does too much. But if you ever do get this, it might do something. You can go play with it. But me personally, not gonna do it. All right. And car auto, same thing. It'll take you back to your maps and stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's regular. You got this to where you can play music and look at your maps at the same time, see what you're playing. You know what I'm saying? You got your work. That's where I work and shit. And then, yeah. So now you just got DSP, or you got your clock. You want to set a timer. They'll let you set timers here, man. If you're in the car taking a break, you're going to sleep, you set a timer like that. DSP, that's the same thing you change the audio with. And all these is files and stuff. I don't really use none of that stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Gmail, all that. HD video player. I don't know what that is. I don't use that. Most of the stuff on this shit I don't use. I just use like the car stuff, the car auto, maps, music, stuff like that. I don't really use none of the bullshit. It's really no point unless you just really on the road, man, and need all the extra shit. But yeah, but this shit helps for like, the screen helps like for when you on trips and shit. Like it just makes the vibe better. Like you see, I had the screen on the whole way, playing music, had my maps, ain't missing not one exit, man. See, when you say music, it'll or like play music, it'll put that music screen on. But yeah, you got the Play Store, your offline, see, so I can't really use none of that. You got your regular settings and weather. Check out the weather if you got some internet and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'll go through the problems I've been having. I really haven't had any problems. Like, it'd be like real random problems, but they fix itself, man. That's always what I said. The problems kind of fix itself. So like I said, with my backup camera, it wasn't working for a couple times a few weeks ago. Now you can see working good, you know what I'm saying? And the screen was just off for me, like it had turned off, something happened. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday, whatever I did, screen didn't turn on when I started the car up. Had to drive home, like 30 minutes away. Screen was off the whole time. Boom, next morning I wake up, screen turns back on, man. So it kind of just fixes itself, man. Sometimes your technology will glitch out on you. It is what it is, man. It happens, dog. But yeah, I mean, you know, this is your AC and stuff. If you want to change some of that stuff, you can't really see because the sun and stuff. But yeah, you got, like, if I were to turn the AC on, you do like that, and boom, AC is on. And then this little guy is who you tap it, and it's like puts on your body that position. You know what I'm saying? And then you up it like that, down it like that for the temperature and stuff. And then yeah, they got all these little buttons on here that you can play with and stuff. But yeah, man, screen's still working good, man. So yeah, if y'all want one, get one. Like I said, it has its ups and downs, but not a lot, man, not a lot. Like I said, I've only had a few times where the backup camera wasn't working, screen turned off on me, shit like that. So it's only been it's like real random where stuff happens that goes wrong, but it fixes itself, and it never lasts too long, man. So I still think the screen is a very good implement to the car. I wouldn't want to drive the car without it, man. And yeah, screen's still running good 6-8 months later, man. So yeah, but I ain't gonna waste too much time, man. We at the beach. I gotta check out at 10. Beach vlog coming, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. I appreciate y'all watching, man. And yeah, we out this motherfucker, dog.